now talking about LVMH, and that stands for Moet Hennessy Louis Vuitton, a luxury goods company. It's got a market cap here of 96.6 billion euros.
Moet, I'm glad, because I always mispronounce it. Somebody told me it's like what you do with the lawnmower to the lawn. Moet.
Moet. Yeah. They used to be one of my key sponsors. So Moet.
Yeah.
PE 24.2 and a dividend yield here of 2.7%.
Right. What do we think of this one?
Very interesting company. I don't think a lot of people actually are aware that the two brands have merged, because Moet, in terms of the alcohol, and Hennessy, and Louis Vuitton, obviously more bags and so on. But I like the company because it has a very simple business strategy that works. You own a portfolio of the world's leading luxury brands. You provide it to consumers that'll constantly buy it. So what do I mean by that? We all want to be rich, or rich by association. So the actual target market, the wealthy people, will buy this brand, and the rest of us will take out loans to buy their products. And that's why you've seen this company over the last 10 years, over a period where in the markets, we know about the 2008 market crash, which is one of the worst since the Depression. But over that period, this company has managed to more than double its revenues and increase its operating income. So that really shows its resilience, and to show that the people that it's appealing to, its target market, are sort of crash-proof. Upper. They're being taxed 45%.
And they are defensive in their nature. There we go.
Wow.
I mean, sure.
And that has really done exceptionally well in recent times.
Yeah.
So look, this is the brainchild of a Frenchman who's in his late 60s called Bernard Arnault. I think I said that right. So he put together all the bits. So we've spoken already about the handbags and the suitcases and the luxury items from Louis Vuitton, and then all of the liquor brands as well. They also own a big stake and share in some of the best known global liquor brands. They own the entire champagne industry. They bought out all of the big ones.
Dom Perignon. And
watches.
Yeah.
Okay, that one hasn't done quite as well recently, but that's like Tag Heuer and Bulgari. And then they also own Sephora, which is the whole range of makeup stores around the world.
Big stores in
So it's
New
tremendous
York.
brand breadth, which means that there's always part of it that's doing well, and they can offset. And it's a global business. So even though France, for example, had a tough 2016 because of terrorist attacks, China does well.
So you've got the geographic
well.
diversity coming through, which is important given the topsy-turvy world that we live in. So you win some, you lose some.
Exactly, and I mean, if you look at the top 100 brands in the world, they probably have the most brands in that allocation. This is a company that reports a profit of about over 20% in 2016. So in a slow global economy, any company that can report a profit like that in euros or in pounds or in dollars, for me, is doing something very well.
The question here is, Paul, whether you get in at current levels, because you've got to ask yourself if there can be more upside to the story.
Well, I think they can. I mean, it is a big company, but it can get bigger. And even though the share price is elevated and it's on a 24 PE, what I hear from people who work in the company, including the local head of the LVMH business here in South Africa, based in Cape Town, doing very well. So I think it remains hot.
So no stopping this one. Hot.
Well, look, obviously it's got to continue to grow its top line, because that's the challenge. But I think internal to the company, lots of clever people working hard to find ways of getting these things out into their target customer base.
Yeah, I think also hot or very warm, simply because of their target market. You know what I mean? The people that they appeal to, the people who buy their products, are the ones that, even if there was a market crash, they'll probably come out the best. So,
I'm going to take it. I'm going to take your hot on that.